Hi, this is Tania and welcome to my channel Chef Tania Rannaghar. Today's recipe is mini fried idli. It's healthier and also goes well with breakfast and in children's lunch box. Wash and keep flattened rice for 10 minutes to let it get softened. Mix rava and the same quantity of curd. Mix them well and rest it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add salt, chili flakes and coriander. Now mix them and create the shape by hand. Now oil grease the mold, put the idlis in it and let it steam for 10 minutes. If you don't have a steamer, you can use this process shown. Add cumin seeds, mustard seeds and curry leaves in oil and fry the idlis in it. Sprinkle some salt, chili flakes, grated coconut and coriander leaves and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Your healthy mini idlis are ready now. Do try and enjoy. See you again on the next video. Till then, tata.